welcome back to my channel. So as you've already seen the title, that today in between the days I have to make a video to make you aware of the fraud or a fake message which happened with me today and many of my friends too. So today morning one of my friends sent me a message, normal message, claiming that government is providing us free laptops. I thought due to this pandemic situation maybe this message is true, and my friend he was a reliable friend, so I just clicked on the link, and after that there was a page to download the app for that registration. So I did the same, and then I have given my number in that app. There was a place to write the number. I gave my number, and after that many things happened which was like very surprising. What happened was, as I gave my number to that app, suddenly an advertisement came, and after that Google opened, then after that YouTube got opened, and then they said us to download a different app. I downloaded that too, but that time I realized that the app was a really fake one and the link was to a fraud one. But that was too late, because after that my phone was not in control of me, but the phone was controlled by that app, by that link, because it was uncontrollable. The links were continuously getting opened, the advertisements were coming, एनीथिंग वॉज गेटिंग ओपन. मतलब कुछ भी हो रहा था. कभी यूट्यूब खुल रहा है, कभी गूगल खुल रहा है, कभी कुछ खुल रहा है, कभी कुछ खुल रहा है. आई वॉज जस्ट फेड अप एंड मैंने गुस्से में फ़ोन बंद कर दिया. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई रियलाइज दैट मैनी वर मैसेजिंग मी. एंड हाँ, ओके, what I did was I first of all uninstalled that 2 apps. The first one which I downloaded from Google after clicking on that link, and the second one which they told us to download. So after that many were messaging me. I was like, what happened? Then I saw my normal message counter, and I found that the link, the app person hacked my phone, and after that he sent the same messages without taking my permission to many of my recent contacts. Not even recent contacts, many of my contacts whom even I don't know, means they were just my acquaintances, and the same message was sent to them. मतलब कुछ लोग ऐसे थे जिनसे मैंने बात ही नहीं किया recent times पे, उनको मैसेज आया. So I was just fed up after seeing that. I will show you everything with proof. I just said this, my whole story, and now I am going to show you the proofs of each and everything I just now told you and what you have to do. The thing I did was, we cannot unsend normal messages, as you all know that. I just took the screenshot of that message and aware everyone by putting the same message on my status, and made everyone aware about that spam. So what you have to do is 2 things. First of all, you message everyone whom they message. मतलब जिसके पास तुम्हारे फ़ोन से मैसेजेस गए हैं उनको तुम लोग मैसेज करो. इफ़ यू द सेम थिंग हैपेंड विथ यू टुडे और डे बिफोर, yesterday or yesterday even. So just do one thing. उन जिन लोगों को तुम्हारे फ़ोन से मैसेज किया, just message them that do not click on this link, because this chain will be continuous chain. Because तुमको पता ही नहीं चल रहा ना तुम्हारे फ़ोन से गया है मैसेज, एंड उनको भी पता नहीं चल रहा उनके फ़ोन से कैसे करके वर्ल्ड वाइड के फ़ोन्स हैक हो रहे हैं ना. एंड वन थिंग यू रिमेंबर, even after uninstalling the apps, the cookies remain in the apps. Cookies are those which remember our browsing, like history. Similarly, like history, cookies are the things which remember the sites we visited, the logins we did. So the cookies will stay about that app, and there will be, see, जब भी app open करते they ask us for location allowance and photo allowance, contact allowance. So that is only the cookies which stays in your phone. I do not know much about this cookies. I am not a technical person. So don't do that. Just uninstall that app, and what you have to do is just tell your friends about the same, and then just put the same thing on your status and share this video to more and more person, and I will show you a proof after this talking session. So yes, let's see the proof. So now I am going to open the message counter to show you the proofs. See, so many people. मैंने कितने पीपल, मतलब मैंने नहीं, उन लोगों ने कितने पीपल को मेरे कॉन्टैक्ट्स को हैक करके सेंड किया. यू कैन सी द नंबर ऑफ पीपल, ऑलमोस्ट 25. नाउ आई विल शो यू द मैसेज. द गवर्नमेंट गिविंग फ्री लैपटॉप्स. आई क्लिक्ड ऑन द लिंक and then a page of Google. After that they told us to download a APK which was from a harmful unknown source, and I did so. And after that, downloading the app, let me show you what happened. They told us to install as usual, and then I opened the app and this page came where there was claiming that the government is providing free Lenovo laptops and you have to register for the same. So what I did was I allowed everything, but you have to deny everything. I'm not going to show you again. And then they told us to write the number, and at last I wanted to say you that just uninstall the app if you have already registered your number, and the things happened with me happened with you. And also after that, delete the cookies. As you have seen the proof and the things, so now just share this video with every friends, families and relatives, so that this thing don't happen with you or your family or your friends. Please forward this message to everyone, this video to everyone. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If I shared a useful, informative video with you all, I think this should not happen with anyone, because this thing can lead to leakage of your data of your phone and even more. So kindly share this video with everyone and like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys.